I'm not a product junkie, okay? Let's clear that right now. I am not a product junkie, okay? I just, happen to have many products. That's it. Nothing serious. No, seriously, guys. So
I do my hair talk, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thanks for joining me today. No, thanks for joining us. Yes, Miss Fro is out. She's out from Protective Styling. She's out from them cornrows, and she's just want to take a little bit of air. You know what I mean? She just want to slay a little bit. Yes, she's out. She's out because I'm gonna be talking to you guys about her, about what she likes and what she doesn't like, and what makes her happy, what makes her grow, and all of that good stuff. Today's video is actually a collaboration with a natural hair fellow YouTuber by the name of DEPASSIONS. Yes, I just love when I say that name, DEPASSIONS. Amazing. She's such a sweet soul, and she does natural hair video DIYs, recipe videos and all of that good stuff. We decided to share our favorite natural hair product. Love it.
So I've split up this video in about 4 to 5 sections. So first being shampoo, co-washes and pre-poos. Then we have masks and conditioners. And then we have leave-ins. Then we have creams and moisturizers. Then I'm going to have serums and oils. So I hope you guys would enjoy and stay tuned.
So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite products, not all of my products of course, but my favorite, what I normally use on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, and all of that good stuff. So let's just jump right into the video. So this this is my stash. Yes, this is my favorites. Okay, some of my favorite no, I'm not a product junkie. Okay, let's clear that right now. I am not a product junkie. Okay, I just happen to have many products. That's it. Nothing serious. No, seriously, guys. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through each and every one of these products with you guys and show you what they are, why I like them, and when I use them, and just show you what Miss Fro likes. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. So I'm gonna go through the products with you, like I said, and I'm gonna start with my pre-poo routine. So my wash day routine consists of a pre-poo, a shampoo, a deep conditioner, and then styling my hair. When it comes to pre-poo, I normally pre-poo with oil. This is a DIY oil I made. I have a video on this, and I'm going to link that down below or somewhere here so that you guys can check that out. This is a DIY oil, and if you guys know me, you know I am a DIY person. Like most of my natural hair products are DIYs. I just love DIYs, just experimenting with different products. And so this is a DIY oil. In here, actually, like I said, I'm going to leave the video down because I'm not going to go through everything that's in my DIY because we're not going to finish this video today. But yeah, this is my go-to pre-poo oil. I normally just, heat this in hot water or in the microwave, and I just, put it in my hair, let it sit for like, an hour or so, and then I go ahead and wash that out and then go ahead with my shampoo routine. So this is an Ayurvedic oil mix. I use this for my pre-poo, and I use it for as my normal oil. So that's for that. And so after my pre-poo, like I said, I go in with my shampoo, and again I have another DIY. Like I said, I am a DIY girl, and if I can DIY everything, I would. All right, this is my DIY. It's actually in a Cream of Nature bottle, but in here is my DIY African black soap shampoo. Again, I have a video on that, and I'm going to link it up here or down below in the description box so that you guys can check that out. This is magic. Okay, black soap does wonders for your hair, does wonders for your skin, and does wonders for your life. Believe me, get into it. Black soap is the deal. So when I wash my hair every week, This is what I mostly use, except I'm feeling bougie and feeling chic and feeling fancy, I go with another shampoo. But other than that, this is like my go-to shampoo. I love it. It does wonders for my hair, like I said. And every time I finish this, I just go ahead and do another one. If I'm not using my black soap shampoo, I'm feeling like, oh, maybe I ran out of it, I don't have anymore, I go for my other shampoos, which are my Shea Moisture shampoos. Oh my gosh, guys, I love Shea Moisture product, but they're expensive. Like, they are expensive. Like, girl, don't nobody have money for like Shea Moisture product? So I love Shea Moisture product. Like I said, I can't afford them. Like, each of these are £10 each. Like, who has money for that? So all my Shea Moisture product comes from the TRESS monthly subscription box. So these are actually products from the TRESS monthly subscription box. I'm gonna leave the link to the website down below. I have a discount code for that, so if you want to get 10% off of your first box, it's Debbie10. I'm gonna leave the link down below as well. And yeah, guys, like, Shea Moisture products are amazing, but they're expensive. I can get 5 full-size Shea Moisture product for just £20 with TRESS. Like, amazing. So every time like there's anytime there's like, I'm currently, my subscription with TRESS is currently suspended. However, when a Shea Moisture product comes out, I'm always like, I need that, I have to have that. Like, I always go back and ask them to send it to me, and that's what I did with these. And so yeah, like I said, I go for these shampoos. Like, I feel like when I'm feeling bougie, or I want to feel fancy or whatever, because like I said, they're expensive. You don't want to be using them anyhow like that, you know what I mean? So when I feel fancy or whatever, I go for these. This is the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine shampoo, and this is the soft superfruit complex 10-in-1 multi-benefit shampoo. I don't buy products individually anymore. Like, since I've been subscribed to TRESS, they just send me my monthly box every month with 4 or 5 full-size products, and that's how I stash my products. I don't go to stores to buy products, except my DIY things and stuff. I don't buy products in stores no more, because TRESS just makes it easy for me to have a whole bunch of products without paying too much for it. So that's for that. Yeah, I don't condition my hair. Like, when you buy products, you have the shampoo, the conditioner, and then the leave-in. I don't see the use of a conditioner. I don't use conditioner. I just go directly to deep conditioners, because conditioner is like a waste of time to me, a waste of money. Except it comes with the TRESS monthly box. I'm never gonna buy conditioner. I'm sorry. That's just me. I don't use conditioners because they're waste of money, waste of time, waste of energy. I just go there, like, with my 4C hair, conditioner does nothing for me. Like, I shampoo my hair and then I just go directly to deep condition my hair, be it a store-bought deep conditioner or be it a DIY. I just go for my shampoo to deep I don't do conditioners. So with that being said, when it comes to deep conditioners, like I said, I'm a DIY girl. I have a whole bunch of DIYs, deep conditioning DIYs I've done in the past. I'm gonna leave I actually have a playlist. I'm gonna leave the link to the playlist below so that you guys can check that out. I have a lot of DIYs, hair related DIYs, skin related DIYs, so I would appreciate if you guys check those out. However, when it comes to store-bought deep conditioner, I have one that I have a go-to. Like I said, I don't do conditioners, but I do deep condition, and regularly every week. I have a few deep conditioners that I reach for, but my go-to is this argan oil hydrating hair mask with Moroccan argan oil extract, intensive conditioning treatment. This substitute my conditioner. I don't do conditioners, like I told you guys. So this thing, like, it's just £1, but it does wonders for my hair. It works amazing. It leaves my hair feeling soft, and it smells nice as well. And that's my go-to. So I use this every week, or even for like when I want to do like a co-wash. When you do co-wash with conditioner, I use this. This does it for me. Like, I rarely do co-wash. I do co-wash when I feel like I don't want to wash my hair for that week, or I couldn't wash my hair for that week for some reason, I just go ahead, but I know I want to, you know, I want to give my hair some type of moisture. I just go ahead and do a co-wash with this. This serves as co-wash, as my conditioner, as my deep conditioner. Is just amazing. And another conditioner I go for as well are these ones. Like I said, these are the Shea Moisture again. Shea Moisture conditioner. I love Shea Moisture. Someone tell Shea Moisture to sponsor me already. Damn it. Yeah, so these are the conditioners from Shea Moisture. This is the Superfruit Complex 10-in-1 Multi-Benefit Hair Mask. And this is the Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. These are amazing as well. So when it comes to my leave-in conditioner, however, I have one, like I have a lot of them because they come with TRESS, but only one is my favorite. Like this has been my favorite since I started my natural hair journey back in 2014. Like it's been 5-6 years. It's been 5 years since I started my natural hair journey, and this leave-in conditioner it's been my go-to. It's been everything. Like it's always worked for me. Like I just, if I have to choose amongst all of the, you know, leave-in conditioners that are out there, I definitely will choose this over and over again. And I'm talking about, okay, everyone may know about this, so drum rolls. Okay, you guys know about this. I am talking about the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioner, guys. This is the deal. Like this, every natural hair needs this. Every natural hair girl needs this. Like this is my favorite conditioner, like, of all time. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner of all time. If I were to choose amongst 1,000, she's always gonna come in like first. She's always gonna be number one, literally. Like, and it smells amazing as well. Like, oh, it just reminds me of my first years of being natural. Like, you know, that first time, you know, doing your hair and all of that. I love it. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner, and this is literally the only one I use. Except, like I said, something comes in the TRESS box, you know, I feel like I want to try, but I always tend to go back to this. Like I've bought, you know, I always tend to go back to this. This is the number one product right here. I just can't. There's nothing comparable. There's nothing that can change that for me. This is gonna always be my favorite leave-in conditioner, hands down, hands down. So I do the LCO method, so the leave-in or the liquid, whatever. So that was the leave-in I just showed you guys earlier, and then my cream is normally like a heavy cream because I have, you know, type 4 hair, 4C hair. So I do a heavy cream, and when it comes to my cream, my butters, I normally go with shea butter. Like I actually have a video of my DIY shea butter mix, and I'm gonna leave that down below as well. And this is just, you know, it's part of it. This is just part of that. It's shea butter, and yeah, this is basically my cream. Like I don't have it. My routine is really not that difficult. Like my wash day routine is actually so straightforward. I don't put that much stuff in my hair. Like my routine is really simple. So that's my butter. When it comes to the oil, so like I said, I do the LCO, which is liquid or leave-in, cream, and oil. So when it comes to my oil, I go back again to my DIY. That's basically it. In here I have olive oil, I have amla oil, I have argan oil, I have tea tree oil, I have Jamaican black castor oil. I think I have I don't remember what else is in there, but like I said, I'm gonna leave the video down below. So like I have everything in here, everything is complete in there. It's just an oil blend, okay? And you know, that's basically it. I just use that. So that's my DIY oil. I use that for my pre-poo, and I use it for my, you know, my oil, my normal oil for my hair. My final product I'm gonna share with you guys is what I do on a daily basis. So I moisturize my hair every day, or at least every other day. I try to do every day, but if I can, but at least every other day I have to. And it's, you know, this spritz in here. This is my daily spritz, or my every other day spritz, whatever you want to call it. And again, I have a video on what's in here, what I put in there, what I do, how I do it, and all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the link to that as well. Another product I use on a daily basis or every other day basis when I moisturize my hair to, you know, help my hair, you know, grow thicker, if you will, because I naturally have thin hair. Okay, so I believe, I'm very convinced that these products have actually helped my hair thicken up a bit, you know, a little bit more. And it's these two products, Do Grow Hair Fertilizer and the Virgin Hair Fertilizer. So these are the two products I use on a daily basis. When I moisturize my hair, I always go in with these. If you watch my moisturizing, my natural hair moisturizing routine, you would see, you know, how I use this. I always use it in my scalp, and I believe these have actually definitely helped my hair, you know, thickened up and, you know, just grow more lusciously. I actually just added this to, you know, my regimen. However, this, the Virgin Hair Fertilizer, has been with me, you know, like way back, you know, when I even went natural first when I first went natural back in 2014. I've always used these because, you know, like I said, I've always had, you know, fine hair, and I just, you know, want a big afro. For me to have a big afro, it has to be thick, so I need something to help me thicken it up, and this is actually really working. My final product would be because again, I'm trying to grow my hair in different way possible, so I need to aid it not just externally but internally as well. So I take the biotin. I take the liquid form of the biotin. I have tried every freaking hair vitamins in the market, okay, and no one works for me. They just make me break out for no reason. Like I have tried biotin, I have tried what was that called, MSN, I have tried the, what is that called, the purple one, the main choice, the main choice vitamins. I have tried all of those, like I have tried 1,001 vitamins in the market, and they don't work for me. They just make me break out, and I don't like them. You know, I'm getting emotional just talking about it because I don't like them, okay? And someone talked to me, you know, someone told me about this liquid biotin, and I was like, girl, don't fool me. Like, I've tried them all, and they don't work. And eventually I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. And, you know, nothing to lose. And I've actually had this for a month, and I have definitely seen a difference. Okay, my nails, most especially my nails and my lashes, like, they are coming in. I haven't had any type of, you know, breakout from this. I haven't had any acne, any whatever. So this is actually working for me. I guess the fact that it's in a liquid form, it absorbs quicker in your system, so it doesn't actually make you break out, rather than the pill that you have to like swallow, and then, you know, it takes a while for your system to actually absorb that, you know, everything. So that's why that makes you, I don't know, I'm not a doctor or anything, I'm just guessing, but like, this hasn't had me break out like the other ones always do. I had given up on hair vitamins and all of those things. I was like, you know what, I'm done. I'm just gonna grow my hair out naturally and help myself with, you know, the Virgin Hair Fertilizer, whatever. I can't be bothered. However, since I came across this, I've been using it, you know, regularly every day, and it has proven to be good for me, and I'm gonna keep using it at least until I have money to buy it. So that's basically it for my favorite natural hair products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and hit the like button. Comment down below if you find any of your favorite products in my favorite products, and let me know which of the products I just showed you is actually your favorite. And yeah, I will see you on my next video. Bye.